Creating a project using an address. To create a project, you simply click on Create a Project. You type in an address that you wish to locate. It has to be a valid US address. You select it. It will focus into that section. You'll put a pin on it for verification. You can name it and simply click Continue. It will come and ask you to re-verify again to make sure this is the property. As soon as you create a project, one of your credits is being used. It will start collecting information as the progress bar continues, depending on the size of your project and the data available for the project. This could take a few seconds or up to a minute. This one is already created. When you open it, you then have every feature about the site itself, information about the owner, zoning, and other things. There's a media folder where you can put in pictures with using InQI mobile, files that you like to bring in, exports that you might to do, and then recycle bin. That's how you create a project using an address.